So this is called a turbine or a runner, and it goes in the very bottom of the generating unit. This is the thing that the water comes in and it hits and causes this to turn, which causes the shaft above it to turn also. This is manufactured in 3 parts. This bottom part is called the band. These are called blades, and this is called the crown. They're manufactured in 3 different pieces, and they're all welded together by hand and then ground down by hand. And when you're finished, this is what you get. It's all 100% stainless steel. And when they go to design these things, they actually do all the mathematics, they do the design, and they create a small version of this that's about this big around. And they actually test it with water to see how it performs. And then they take that information and scale it up. And that's how they come up with a design for this one. So this is our rotor. This is what goes on top of the turbine shaft. It weighs 300 tons, and it has 36 of these poles on it. Each one of these poles is an electromagnet. Power is fed down into these while the unit is spinning, and these are electromagnets. So as these things turn inside the windings, they induce a current in the windings, and that's how we produce our power. It produces, I think, 6,000 or 8,000 amps and 13,800 volts. And then it goes to the transformers that are out back, and the transformers boost it up to 230,000 volts, which is what we use to transmit the power to civilization.